Welcome friend, welcome to another part of the video. This is Online Tool Helper. And today I'm going to be showing you a particular software for WhatsApp which I call 20-in-1 WhatsApp software. And this is a new generational marketing software which extracts numbers, emails, filter, and at the same time send. We're going to be digging inside this software and see what can you actually do with this software to promote your businesses, to blast and to bomb. Welcome. So this is the interface of the software, and it has a lot of features which you can actually use, starting from sending individually, extracting individuals, to extracting of group links, extracting of members, and at the same time sending of messages inside groups. And this is the interface of the software. This is what you will be seeing if you are getting the software from us. The first thing you need to do right there is to log in your account, and at the right top here you will see account. There you can click on account, and from this you can add in your account. So let me delete this account right here. Okay, so you can add a new account. It's going to be showing you here, add a new account. So when I click on in add new account, you can just put it a name, so and click on add. Then you can see account added successfully. So you click on OK, and coming back to this account, and we can actually make this primary. And when you load this, then it takes us to a WhatsApp web, and it actually asks us to log in our WhatsApp account. So I'm going to be logging in my WhatsApp account right in this space. And in case if you don't know how to log in your account, you can follow this procedure. Okay, you can follow this procedure and add your account in. Okay, so you scan this QR code and you wait for it to be processed. Okay, so I can close this, and since it's logged in, I close this. And you can see on your screen right now, these are the interface. And what this is actually telling you right now is that you can immediately type in your message, any kind of message that you want to send. You can actually type in the message, and at the same time, you can upload the phone numbers you want to send your messages to. And you can see if you click on upload here, it accepts Excel. So you can easily put this number in an Excel format and start sending. Okay, in case you have numbers at hand, you can start immediately and start blasting. But if you don't have numbers, the other ways around, you can get number with the software. You can get it through individually, and you can get it through the WhatsApp group. Okay, and this is SMS rotation. We also run SMS rotation on WhatsApp also, so just to avoid being banned. At the same time, it's all about being banned. Okay, now let's go to the next feature here. On the left side of this software, you can see an emoji of a group of people here. It means group. Okay, so now in case if you have group links with you, you can also paste in the links in this folder. You can upload them, type in your message, and the software starts sending message to your group links. Okay, but we are not going there. Let's go to some of the features so you can understand better. Okay, now going on this setting tool, and you can see a lot of features which is being embedded in this software. We have the great group members. So here you can actually make use of this feature to extract group members from your already joined groups. Okay, but in case if you don't have groups yet on your phone, you can actually grab group links from web. Okay, you can also grab group members. You can see active group members. So in case after you grab your group link, and the next thing for you to do, let me close this. After you grab your group link, you can then grab the active members of the group. Okay, so it's very simple and very straightforward. Okay, so now let's start from this. Let's grab group from web. Okay, when I click on this, it will ask you to open this browser. Okay, so when you click on open browser, okay, so it open up this browser for you automatically. So what you just need to do is to put your keyword at the back here. So you put your keyword. Let's say what we want to search is, let's say, Bitcoin. Okay, let's say Bitcoin WhatsApp group link. And click on enter. Now you have to click on websites with group links. Okay, let me say I pick this first one. Let's see how many groups we have in here. And if I scroll down, I think there is different kind of groups inside this. Okay, good. So you can go on the software, then you click on start grabbing. Okay, no group link found. So which means group link is not available on this page. So you can go back again and check the next page. Okay, let's check for this. Coming on the software, let's see if we're going to correct any. I think it's working for this. Okay, yeah, it's working for this because I didn't get any response. So let's just wait for it. It's extracting from this. I think it's done. Immediately it's done, it just automatically open this face for us. So let's just put Bitcoin WhatsApp, okay, and save this. Good. Let's see if we actually got something here. Okay, now on the home screen, yeah, good, this is it. Let's open it up. Let's open those up and open, and boom, you can see here are the group links which it's generated. What's the total number of group links? It was able to generate over 840 group links. That's excellent. Yeah, okay, now let's go back inside the software. Since we've done with this, we can close this, and let's see, let's join, let's extract active group members. So I'm clicking here, but before this we have to join these groups before we can extract. You can see, so let me close this and look for a joiner, group joiner, auto group joiner. You can see this, so I'm going to click this, then we can automatically join the group. Upload this. I'm going to upload what we just extracted, and that's Bitcoin WhatsApp. Good, open up, and we have this. So I'm going to click on to initiate. So for our WhatsApp web to be connected, let's see. Alright, it's connected automatically because we've already logged in initially on our account. You can see this software is just straightforward, easy to use, A to Z, not advanced, or there is no any other techniques there. Just follow the process. Now you can see this green thing says initialized. Okay, then I can click on start, and let's see, it says it's running. Let's see how it's going to be generating. This is the log, and let's see, this one says fail. Probably the link is not active. Okay, and okay, invalid invite code, the link is not active. Okay, and you can see the timer that was set on it. You can increase the time and you can reduce the time, just depend on you, but just make sure you are being safe when you are doing this. And boom, you can see one success. We've already joined one group. Let's check if it's actually right, and you can see we already joined this group. Good. Now let's move on. Let's the software keep working. So once we have joined like 2 or 3 group, I'm going to stop, then we'll move to the next feature on the software. Okay, so let me just stop this. Let me stop this for now. Okay, since we've able to join one group, so you have to, that's the issue there. You have to deep well to get a particular web link with a very good numbers of group links. Let me close this down. So, and going back on the software. Okay, going back on this, there is also another way to extract groups. If we scroll down, you can see group finder at the same time here. We are still talking on group. Now it's asking for you for a subject. Subjects mean just a keyword that you want to use. Just example as we use Bitcoin the other time. Put in Bitcoin and let's see stats, and let's see if we're going to extract based on that. And you can see boom, these are active group this time around, different from the other ones which we were extracting. Okay, so you can see it has been able to rate up to 70. So I'm just going to stop this, as number will just keep on increasing that way. So I'm going to stop this, stop, and we're going to, instead of exporting this inside my system, I can immediately put it inside the group joiner to join the group for me. So import inside this, so without, just to save me from the stress. And don't forget my WhatsApp, it's already been connected. You can see it's showing green initialized. Okay, so I'll click on just start, and it's running. The running process is coming up. The one showing fade, it means I joined them because you can hear the notification coming in. Let's see, you can see join, join. I can't scroll this. I can't scroll this, but you can see it's actually joining them. You know why it's showing fail? Joining. Okay, it's joining. You can see all this is joining. You can see the process. It's showing 5%. Okay, so I'm just going to stop this. I think I have enough group to work with this time around. Okay, and stop. And let's close this up. Let's see another feature here. Don't worry, we're still coming back to those numbers, to those groups which you've generated. Now, does it? We are in here and we've talked about these group links. Another features there is that we have autoresponder. Autoresponder bot is just like an AI which automatically reply your message, whether you are online or you are not online. So you just have to have a rule, then the software is going to auto reply your message. For example, if you are saying hello and you want your response to be how are you whenever anybody says hello, or whenever anybody mention any of your products and you just want the software to reply based on, let's say you are selling let's say you are selling a log, okay, and inside the message someone just said, hey, hi guys, do you have a log? So once the software sends log inside the message, then it's going to initiate and replied based on the rule that you just added on it. So let's say I click on this stats, okay, please add a rule. So once you have that, it's going to work that well for you. Okay, so let's move to the next feature here. This one is very easy to use. Now we have this contact list grabber. Let's click and see what we're going to have there. Now inside this WhatsApp link grabber, you see it says grab all the saved contacts. Your WhatsApp is already initiated. So grab all the saved grab all the saved contacts, which means all the numbers you've saved on your phone. The software can automatically extract the numbers out for you and you can remarket to them. And yeah, it says grab all group. So waiting for this, so you're trying to fetch in the data and let's see what we're going to have. And these are the group links. It's going to give you the result like this and you can save it. So automatically it extracts all the groups it belongs to for you in case if you want to use them for your marketing. Okay. Now let me cancel this and see. Grab all saved contacts here too. So waiting for WhatsApp account, fetching, and boom, your result comes down. So you can just save this WhatsApp contact list. Okay, let's check this up. I'm going in on my desktop and save as contact list. Okay, so double click this to open. Okay, and boom, you can see we have this. Other numbers are in, right? They are done there, but I'm not going to show you that. So it's going to just extract all the numbers of your contact list for you. Okay, let's move to the next feature. Closing this. And we have, okay, we've done with this. We have the group map data extractor. Let's see what we're going to have there. When I click in that, you can see our WhatsApp, sorry, our browser is not initiated. It is not initialized yet. So once I click this, it's going to show, okay, what do you want to extract. You can see this is just a sample for you to check it out. You can say, and I can say Bitcoin exchange in text size. Okay, having this and such, you can add multiple, you can have that, but I'm just going to stick with that one keyword for now. Okay, you have those results. Let's go on software and see. Okay, let's go on the software. Yeah, we are. Okay, now what do you want to grab? If you want to grab the email IDs and you want to grab their images, you can select the both, or if not, you can uncheck this and click on start grabbing. Okay, then the software is going to start extracting based on the keywords you use, and immediately it will start extracting and grabbing data for you. Okay, you can see this now. You can see this is Bitcoin exchanger based on the keyword you use. This is the phone number showing there, and you can see the way that software is working mysteriously. It's actually magic. It's so awesome. It's very important for you to get. You can see the phone numbers are here. If I scroll down a bit, you can see their phone numbers. It's coming. So with their review counting, their rating, categories, the address, the website, and we have the email IDs also are there. some are having email while some don't. Okay, so when you move again, you can see some other informations also which you can actually use when you are digging in on your marketing. So, this is just a demo video. I can't be just telling you deep inside. You have to dig in and think of the way you can actually use this software to its optimum level. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to stop this and I'm going to export numbers only. You can see export these numbers only. Okay, so I'm going to export this and say Google Map Bitcoin numbers. Okay, saving this on desktop and save. Good. So done with this. Close this up and let's close this. And we have what we're done with this one. We've checked this, the auto join. Now this is the WhatsApp filter. WhatsApp filter, what it does is that it helps you to filter no active WhatsApp number from the bulk numbers that you have. For example, for me, I have numbers, I have phones, millions of numbers, database, and at the same time, which I use for my adverts. I also have for their emails addresses, which I same times I used. Okay, and these are well targeted numbers. All those phone numbers you are seeing, they are right from Facebook. Okay, they are right from Facebook. So now I'm going to be validating this and see the active one. So let me just open an Excel and put it there. So here's the number. I'm going to save it up as XX. So getting back here, let's upload the Excel. Don't forget I saved this as Excel's X, okay, and open this up. You can see here's the phone number. So once I click on start validating the numbers. I can see in few seconds everything was done, and the ones available and the one with business account, everything will show here. So if I click on export, we're going to export this, and I will export it as number filter good. So I think it's okay by me on desktop. Save this. Now let's go on our desktop and see number filtered. So as you have this, I can actually extract this. Sorry, this out and says find the available selector, then extract this. Good. So here are the valid numbers which I can actually use. Okay, so let's go into the software. Let's go back in here, closing this. And the next feature though we have here is a grab active group members. I think we're going to do that now. So I'll click on grab now. Then on here, initiate, yes, then now since we've joined the WhatsApp group, then we can click on start. If you read this, it said scan. Okay, it said open any group and click the button below. So I'm just going to open any. Let's say we open this one, good. And coming back here, I'll click on start grabbing. Then it's going to grab the active members. Okay, these are the groups. Okay, then let's pick this. Let's pick this and select this, and it's running. Okay, it was able to get one. Let me check for another one. Wrapping this, let me pick this, select this, and it's running again. So let me save this. Let's see what we're going to have in there. Multiple group members on desktop, and going to the desktop and search multiple group member. Okay, open this up. Let's see what we have here. These are just the active member in there. So in case if you have any other groups, uh, I'll be very good active member is going to extract that for you. Okay, so let's move to the next feature. Let me close this down, and next thing says let's scroll down and see the next thing. Talk on this active group member. Okay, now we have the grab chat list. This is another feature which you can also use to extract your group. You can see to extract your chat list. All the chats you have in there, you can actually make use of this feature to extract them all. So I'm just going to hit, since we've connected our WhatsApp, just hit the grab all, and it's fetching the data, and it should be done. Group is done. So I can just say chat list for two. Okay, saving this, and let's see on our desktop again. See chatting list. Here we go. this with Excel, and let's see. And boom, here are the numbers which I have on my phone, some contact list which I have on the phone. It's even showing the names. So this is just so wonderful. So which means you can actually, when you want to send in your message like that, you can customize the message. Okay, we're going to send message, just calm down. And let me close this down and going to the next feature. Going to close this label. If you have any label, you can extrapolate on that. So I'm closing this. And what else do we have here? We have the bulk group members. From here, you can actually add group members inside your groups. Let's say the groups I have. Okay, let me just make it. Let me create it. For the numbers, the one we just uploaded right now, I'm going to contact list for. Okay, yeah. These are the numbers. Okay, these are the numbers, and for the group. Let's click on start and see what we're going to get. So fetching data. Well, this is our group which I want to have this purple. So I'm selecting this and it's running. You can see it's showing running still. Now what the software will do is that it's going to automatically send invitations to your contact list, the numbers you've uploaded right there. Okay, and once those people see your message, you can see they can join your WhatsApp group. Okay, you get that? Good. So I'm stopping this, right? Stop. You can save to know where the result ends. So cancel this, closing this, and the next features that we have here is okay. Okay, we've talked of group finder. So we have the bulk group generator. It can um, generate group for you. So by putting the group names and you start, it's going to um, create bulk groups for you. Because of the time, I think this video is longer than expected. Okay, if this is your first time of watching this video and you've watched this video to this extent, to this time, please do well to hit the subscribe button. And if you have interest in getting this software, check the description below this video. I'm going to give you this software at a very cheaper and a discount price for you to watch this video to this moment. Okay, now we have the next feature. We have Google Contact CV Generator. So you can generate contact random names. You can see if I click on generate random names. So if you put the name and you just say James and generate now. So it's just, and you have the numbers. Okay, this um the brain behind this feature. Now we have the numbers who I've generated from my contact list. Let's say I upload all those numbers, for example. Let's say, let me just break it down for you. These are the numbers now. And there is no names in here, and you want to have your own name. So you can generate random names for this number. You can say, for example, I can just say um, list. I'm saving it at list one. Okay. So generate this. Then in case if there is no name in here, the software is going to generate random name for them. For them, it's going to generate random name for them. But since there is name, so it's not working for this. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. And let's say the next features. I want to end this video now because I think I've been able to show you things that you actually need. You can see extract emails, can extract emails, phone number also. If you have a website link, just put it there and the software is going to extract and it's going to extract emails. As you can see the deep check is going to go in deep with the link that you put and it's going to extract emails for you. There is also warming up on this. You can warm up your profile, you can warm up your WhatsApp account on this software. And the next features that we have here, let me close this up, and pool result. So you can create a pool on the software and you can grab your pool results from this. Okay, and we have the social media data extractor also. This also extract emails for you in case, and you can make use of this to extract phone numbers. So if you put your keyword and you say coin, just put coin, and you want US, you can just put +1, Then where do you want to extract? You can pick any area you actually want to extract from. Facebook, you can extract from LinkedIn, from Telegram, from TikTok, wherever you want to extract, and you click on extract and setting your delay. And don't forget, this delay was put to set 7 seconds to 14 seconds. So it's going to be making use of this delay 14 seconds before it can search for emails addresses. Okay. So if I close this down, now let's see the next, and you can schedule your message at the same time. So here are the features of the software which you can make use. You can see it's a bump. It's a must have for every marketer, everyone that says code email, you send campaigns, you bomb, you spam. You actually need this software to make in your day-to-day activities and to um, broad the numbers of people that you reach every day. So here is just a simple feature which you can make use to send your message by just uploading. Let me just upload this and I can say upload this and I can just send a greetings. Let me upload our contact list. Say contact list. We have the contact list here. Okay. Have this contact list of our chat list. Don't forget, I can just message them randomly and say hello. And message two, I can say show you can say you've been good and can just start sending my campaign. It's just a simple tool you can use and I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this on save mode and send message. I'll just rotate. I'll click here and say rotate messages and start now. Okay. Now click to initiate. So let's initialize this. And as we initialize that, I close this and I click on start. Then it's going to start sending our messages to the numbers we've put on it. And I can see one message has been sent. I can see success. And boom, so success to this. Then it's going to rotate the message as we said, and next message has been sent also. So you have to just give this thing time, start initialize, start your message, start your campaign, and do other things you want to do. So this is just so simple. This is how you can actually run your WhatsApp marketing. Okay, do stop in here and close this. So this is how you can just do your WhatsApp marketing and reach a very good numbers of people every day. So thanks for watching this video, and if you need this software, come inside my description, click on my WhatsApp or reach us on our link on our Telegram to make order for this software. Mind you, as I always said, this software is not free. It's come with a price tag. So I'm going to see you in our social media handles. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. See you next time.